Rich here from Bristol Rock Centre, and today we're going to be doing David Bowie's Suffragette City. We were going to be working on Suffragette City live version really from about 1972, Ziggy Stardust and the Spiders from Mars, to Mick Ronson on guitar, who in my opinion was the greatest rock guitarist ever. This may not be exactly the way Ronson played it, but I've looked at loads of videos and information out of there to see what chords he was using. He used to mix and match it a lot, but this is the best I can do, and it's not far off. The song starts with a pre-intro, and you've got an intro riff, verse 1, verse 2, chorus, verse 3, chorus, solo, double chorus, and then a long play out. So I'll start off with the pre-intro and the intro. So you've got just a big pull on the G, big pull on the G, then the A power chord, then you've got a hammery on from A5 to like the 6th note there. Make it quite nice and aggressive, not sort of chirky nice, but dig it in deep, slamming the 3rd finger on the 3 note. Then that carries on, and then it changes. I'll show you how to do it. So you've got the A hammer on to F for 8, sharp 1 to bit of palm muting. Then next time it's F, do that again. Speed. And that's the first section. Okay, now for the chorus. So we got up here on the A there with the hammer on, up to the D, to the F, to the C, to the G. That's the first one. So you got the A, drop over to the D, slide up for the F, 3rd finger over to the C power chord, and then over to the G. Second time he goes up to the F there, drops down to the C, then to the G. He's going to slide up to the A next and do the hammer on. And it's into the next verse. So we've got that. To the F, to the C, to the G, A, to the D, to the F, down to the C, to the G, and the F. I now do that at speed. That's how to play the chorus. We'll now move on to the solo. Oh yeah, note this version of the solo is a live version of the way I used to play it live, so it's slightly different to the one that's on the studio album. So we start off on the G string on fret 4. You can do 1, or if you can put up a couple of big vicious bends, bring it down, slide the 2nd finger up to the 5th fret on the G string, drop the 3rd finger on the A on the E string, then slide up 2 frets. So you've got you got. So the second one's got you then there on fret 2 on the D string, fret 4, fret 2 on the G, second finger there on fret 4 on the G, and again slide to the 5. Then you've got kill it. So you got the same thing again. And then the last bit. And this time the bend's off the 5th fret on the G. Then the 3rd finger on the 4, and 2 quick bends on 4 on the G string. And you've got to be really fast there because you've got to go straight back into the chorus afterwards. So I'll do it slowly and I'll do it at speed. So you've got. Okay, and that's in that speed. Etc. My singing's really bad, I know. Okay, so that's the solo bit, and now we'll do the play out. Alright, on the play out that comes after the double chorus that comes after the solo, he just drops down from an A to an F, and then drops down to an E before the wham bam thank you man bit. I'll show you 2 different ways of playing it. So you've got the same hammer on that we did before and just to the F, or you could also do the A here. Or mix them up. Because like I've seen him play it all over there, and then when you've got the wham bam just before the wham bam thank you man, you've got three bars and then a big hit. You've got 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 wham bam thank you man. Or you could do it the way that I've also seen him do it like this, going etc. Do it up there, so you've got any mixture really of the A, the F and the E. Remember the E goes on for 3 bars, a big hit, a thing, just draws out, then 1 bar of wham bam thank you man, then straight back in. 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 2 3 4 wham bam thank you man. Wham bam thank you man. And that's how to play Suffragette City from 1972 live version. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thanks very much. Bye.